He's going to try a backflip, and he's going to swim under the boat. And if he doesn't come up again, who the hell's going to get him?
Which way are you going off? That way?
Nobody. Okay.
Safest. I don't know if I can do a backflip off this boat.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do anything you're not sure of, because it's not like 911. It's not a. They're not fast. Just wait. What? You look like a toddler.
It's hard to stand still.
I know. It's
I'm
cute.
trying to get a feel for it.
Okay, man.
My land legs. This is so hard. It's like being in Paris.
Nice backflip. I can put it in reverse. Yikes. This is fun. It's fun to see someone getting off the boat.
I know.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Is it cold? Is it like frigidly cold?
It's pleasant.
No. Okay. Throw this upside down.
Yeah. I just wanted to